In the hotel and restaurant industries, both owners and employees carefully research and select key products and items. They prioritize the ambience, theme, and the quality of service provided by the waitstaff. After these factors, the most important element that keeps customers coming back is the food's taste. To ensure great taste, hotel owners often pay special attention to the quality of the water used in cooking and serving. They focus on the quality of water, its saltiness, and whether the salt levels are maintained consistently every day. If the taste of the water changes on certain days, it can affect the taste of the food. Nowadays, restaurant owners are very particular about the water used in cooking. In cities like Chennai, you might notice that 5-star, 7-star, or even 12-star hotels often have an RO reverse osmosis plant to ensure the water quality is up to standard. Nowadays, even small hotels are becoming more aware of the importance of installing RO plants for cooking. We have installed many RO plants in hotels ourselves. Right now, we're at Sriragam Hotel, which has just opened and is already doing very well. They've excelled in both ambience and food quality. Located in Mylapore, it's considered one of the best non-veg hotels, and the customers have high expectations for the food. We've installed the RO plant, and now we can show you how it's set up. This is the hotel's terrace, where we've placed the raw water tank. The water is drawn from the tank using a water feed pump, which pushes the water to the plant area for treatment. There is a dedicated separate shed for the RO plant, and this is a centralized kitchen RO system. Since there are multiple points in the kitchen that need water, we've set up a treated water storage tank to distribute the water efficiently throughout the kitchen. This is a fully automatic 500 lph RO plant. The raw water is pushed here, where it first passes through the prefiltration system to remove sediment and impurities like dust. Next, it goes through micron filters that remove particles as small as 5 and 1 micron. Using a high-pressure pump, the water is then sent to 2 membranes for salt separation. After the salt is removed, the clean water is stored in the treated water tank. The water stored in the treated water tank is free from salt and hardness, making it similar to drinking water. This treated water is then sent to different areas of the kitchen. The input water has a TDS of 920 ppm, but in the lab, it's measured at 1100 ppm. The treated water is delivered to the kitchen through this dedicated line. There is also a separate line for wastewater, which is collected in a 1000-liter tank. This wastewater is then used for washing dishes and in the restrooms. Let's take a look at the kitchen area, which is kept very clean and tidy. They have 2 dedicated taps for the RO water. Now, we can check the output TDS of the treated water. It's 109 ppm, and the TDS at these taps ranges from 122 to 126 ppm. The customer requested a TDS of 150 ppm, which is why we installed this RO plant. The customer is very satisfied with the water quality, and it's meeting their expectations.